These girls got the giggles.
Touch you
Hey.
with the piece.
Like nobody know who you are. And nobody knows like my family. We around. But you can't take a laugh. You said what? It's all the same shit. We're going to the same spot.
Just go on there.
Oh, they got arcade too. I ain't see that one. I got you too, Nana. I recorded all of that. $13.85. Remember.
Sorry, kid.
Oh my God. It's okay to laugh, kids. It's okay to laugh. Love muffin. Who remember these kerosene heaters, man? Used to heat up the house with this shit. Go to school smelling like kerosene. Who remember that? This nigga really trashing me though. Shocked me. Trash. Trash me. I'm over. I'm done. I'm done.